Namaste friends, my name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn standing forward bend or Uttanasana. This is a forward bend asana. Friends, when you perform this asana, anatomically it impacts the thighs, the hamstrings, the knees and the hip. Also, it impacts the spine along with the liver and the kidney. It is a beginner asana, so a beginner can practice, and if you have a backache, then you can bend your leg at the knees and practice this asana. If you sit this asana allows the brain to relax. It has a soothing effect on the brain. It calms you down, calms the brain, and also relieves stress and mild depression. It also stimulates the digestive organ. It strengthens the thighs and the knees and stretches the calves, the hamstrings and the hip. Friends, when you perform this asana, it also helps you relieve anxiety, relieve stress, and it actually helps you to sleep also. So it is very good for insomnia. Also, it can relieve symptoms of menopause. When you perform this asana is very good for anxiety, good for asthma, also very good for calming because it has a calming effect. Those who have high blood pressure, they can support their head. It is also very good for them, but they should support their head nicely. It is also very good for flexibility and also good for fatigue. Menopause, osteoporosis, sinusitis, stress, it is all good for these practice. Friends, when you perform this asana also impacts infertility. And as I said before, insomnia is also, it is very good for people who suffer from insomnia. So now let's watch how to perform this asana. Just one thing in mind. Whenever you have a back issue, a severe back issue, then you can bend your leg at the knees. And if you find even discomfort in that, then release the position. Just rest. Now this is a forward bend asana. So let's see the side view. Standing in Tadasana, the starting position. After standing in Tadasana, keep your hands by the side of your waist region, the hip region. When you inhale, with every exhalation, bend forward. Just exhale and come down. See, when you're coming down, you're not going to come down from the waist region. You're going to come down from the hip, actually from the groin region. Moving it from the groin. And when you bend forward with your exhalation, you are actually lengthening your pubis and the whole of the sternum, the upper sternum. The whole of the torso should move in one unit. The spine and the head should move in one unit, just coming down. So you are not rounding the back when you come down. Neither you are pushing the lower back too much forward. You are actually coming from the deep upper thigh, from the groin, and keeping the body in one straight line coming forward. Wherever you can. When you find difficult, just drop your hands. You can keep your hands in front, you can keep your hands by the side, you can keep your hands behind, anywhere that is comfortable. If you find that the strain is coming on the back, you can bend your leg at the knees. If you find that the lower back is curving, bend your leg at the knees, because we want to move exactly from the hip joint, from the groin region. So if you want, bend your legs. If you feel the strain in the hamstrings, bend your legs. Quads are engaged so that the kneecap is used. Don't let the strain come on the knee by pushing the knee behind, by hyperextending the knee. Now as you bend forward, after coming forward, what you do is you inhale. With every exhalation, you allow the body to fall forward from the hip. And every time you inhale, you lift your tailbone up to the ceiling and exhale further, allowing the lower abdomen, your pelvis region, to get further inside towards the upper thigh actually. It is moving like this towards the upper thigh. Inhale
exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep the toes pressed firm so that the arch of the feet, especially the big toe on the ground, so that the arch of the feet is maintained. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let the body bend, dropping the body with every exhalation. If you find that the hands are not reaching, you can cross your hands at the opposite upper arm, crossing the forearm actually. Just exhale. Exhale and allow the body to stretch nicely, especially the upper back. And loosen the neck. Loosen the neck from the base of the neck, which is the upper back and the shoulder blade region. Just loosen it. Keep breathing, either like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. Anything is fine. Keep breathing. Hold here for about 3 to 5 breaths and then come up gently. So when you come up, you first straighten the back. If you want, you can keep your palm at the shin. Straighten the back. One body is in a straight line. Core is used. The abdomen is tucking in. The lower abdomen, the pelvic region is tucking a little in. And then slowly keep your hands by the side of the waist and with inhalation, come up gently. And exhale, relax your hands. Relax for a while in standing. Let the blood come back to normal. Just become comfortable in this position. Friends, Uttanasana can help to relieve the spine nicely if done in a correct way. So don't round your back when you go. Just keep your back straight. No matter if you come less, that's fine. Understand the body. If you find difficult, use a block to support your hands. Drop your shoulders. Don't keep the shoulders too close to the ear. Just lengthen the neck. Let the shoulders go away from the ear. Friends, if you like my video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get updates of new videos. If you have any valuable feedback, suggestions, please write to us. Also, if you want us to cover a special subject related to yoga of your choice, do write. We will try to cover that in the near future. Thank you for watching. Namaste.